guys, welcome for another amazing episode on my channel. Today we are going to be doing the oil change on the Nissan GTR, and this should be done every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, and if you are heavily modded and running over 700 horse, this should be done every 15 to 2,000 miles. So we'll go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you guys how to get that done. For the first step is choosing what oil to use on your Nissan GTR, and there's tons of options out there that you can do. The ones that I chose this Nissan Competition oil from Modal, and this is a 5W40 formula. And then I went ahead and did the PTC Engineering Conventional filter. And so this is the filter that I would recommend, and this is the oil that I would recommend. The Nissan GTR takes 5.5 quarts when filling it up, so make sure that you order 6 quarts so you have that other half quart on the side so you can just top it off. So underneath the GTR, so what we're going to do is we are going to start removing these 10mm bolts all the way down, and then there's a pop clip on both sides. Now up here, kind of by the lip part, so there's these little holes right here. There's 10mm on all of those that you have to take off, and then there's also these pop pins that have to come off too, so make sure to remove all of those. So there's a plastic panel sitting under there. It's made of plastic. Your drain plug is right there, and that one takes a 14mm, and then as you can see, there's the oil filter. So we're going to go ahead and get those draining and removed, and we'll go from there. So before putting the oil filter back on, make sure that you put a little bit of your new oil in there and move it all around on that ring and that sill so it doesn't crack, and then put a little bit in your filter, and then you're good to put it back on. The next thing you need to do is inspect your bolt. Make sure that none of the threads are torn or it's been cross-threaded. Then also check that washer on there, and this washer seems to be good. And then this is magnetic, so make sure to check for metal shavings right there. And this plug came out looking good, so you can get this installed back in, and then we'll get the new oil in. We're gonna start filling this now. And by the way, these are the sickest looking bottles. They come with their own little spout. These things are sweet. So I'll pull on this and get this up. So see, it has its own little spout built into the bottom. A little plastic piece that you have to peel off there. Start filling this, and so that's where you're gonna fill it at. And so I've got my my funnel all ready to go. So we're gonna start filling.
5 hours later.
And it does take 5.5 quarts, so put 5 quarts in and then check it, and then go from there, because you might have some oil that's left over from your oil pump that didn't come out. So after you've put in 5 quarts, then go ahead and start it and let it just run, and let it get all the other oil and stuff out of that oil pump and circulate that oil. Let it get up to warm temp, and then go back and check your oil again and see where you're at. It should take 5.5 quarts. Hey guys, thank you for watching another episode on my channel. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I have a lot more videos coming out. So I have tons of performance parts coming from my Nissan GTR, such as downpipes, fuel pumps, and so I'm going to be showing installs on all of those. So stay tuned.
I should fuck her in a Benz.